Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Zumo XT. To begin, power on your device by pressing and holding the power button for about 2 seconds. Next, personalize your experience by adjusting the screen brightness and volume settings to your preference. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to ensure your maps and software are always up to date. Finally, pair your smartphone using Bluetooth for convenient hands-free calling and to receive smart notifications directly on your Zumo XT. Navigating with your Zumo XT is straightforward. Tap the Where To icon to search for your destination using an address, a specific point of interest, or even precise coordinates. For more adventurous rides, create custom routes with multiple waypoints, allowing you to explore scenic roads. Don't forget to use the adventurous routing feature to discover thrilling, winding paths. Save your favorite spots for quick access on future journeys. The Zumo XT offers advanced features to enhance your ride. With compatible accessories, you can monitor crucial data like tire pressure and fuel levels directly on your screen. Connect to the Garmin Drive app on your smartphone to access live weather radar and real-time traffic updates. Record your exciting rides and share them with friends using the Garmin Explore app. Plus, you can conveniently control your music playback right from the Zumo XT display. To ensure your Garmin Zumo XT performs optimally, regular maintenance is key. Always check for and install the latest software and map updates to keep your device current. Clean the screen gently with a soft, lint-free cloth, avoiding any harsh chemicals that could cause damage. When not in use, store your Zumo XT in a cool, dry place. Always use the included mount and power cable for reliable operation and charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.